Hello, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, today we'll be talking about how you can enhance accessibility using the 11 Labs tools. So, there are a lot of tools, and the first one would be instant speech. It's incredible. It's for native speakers who of different languages who do not know how to speak English pretty well and they want to learn as well. So they can just clone their voice, they can use their own language, their own uh, way of speaking, and then they can dub it into, and also they can clone their voice, they can dub their voice easily. Now, for example, when you click on try instant voice cloning, you can either create a voice of yours or you can clone your voice. And with that, you can create a voice that speaks English in different accents. For example, in British accent, in American accent. And then we have different accessibility tools like AI agents for your customer support. You have to just see that a sales agent, a support agent. Now, when you initiate it, you can try a call, mindful coach. You can try anything that works. And when you create an agent, it will help you get your business started with a lot of accessibility and enhancement. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.